Welcome to Early Gates reads Ikea instruction manuals. Today we're going to be learning how to assemble a hauga. Hauga. Anyway, this thing looks like it's a bookcase with some cabinets at the bottom. You can put your cat food, your dog food. You can put your other stuff up here. So let's get right into it. But let's start off. We got a warning here. Warning, serious or fatal crushing injuries can occur from furniture tip-over. Always secure this furniture to the wall using tip-over restraints to further reduce the risk of serious injury and death from tip-overs. So what we don't want to do, we don't want to be this stupid little kid right here. This stupid little kid was apparently not taught any better. Oh, do whatever you want, Junior. Just go do whatever you want. Okay. And then he runs over, and then he jumps up on the thing, and he gets crushed. Stupid kid. All right. So anyway, we're done with the warnings. Don't be a stupid kid. Oh, God. They're every country, they're stupid. Look at that. All right. Yeah, every single country, they got one of these stupid kids that wants to climb furniture. Okay. So here we go. So we got this little guy's telling us we need this. We need a screwdriver, some hammers, a water hose, some drill bits, pencil, a little step ladder here. Need a little bit of this, some brackets, and I have no idea, a lock with a bracket. We're gonna do that, yeah. Okay, so don't be this guy who just throws all the crap all over the ground and looks at it. You want to be two people who throws crap all over the ground and looks at it. All right. Don't be this guy who apparently, he was probably trying to climb the thing too before it was even built. And that's how it got broken. You want to be this guy right here who is petting. You have to pet it. Nice. Nice little cabinet that's not built yet. All right. So we got this one. This person's illiterate, clearly. Doesn't know how to read. He can't even read the instructions that have no words on it. Or maybe he's trying to read the warnings. But you really don't. You just need pictures. Anyway, now you got this guy who apparently he walked into Ikea, plugged in a phone line into the telephone room, ran it all the way out here, and then he's calling inside. That's what it looks like to me. All right, what do we got here? We got a bracket, we got some screws, a washer, an anchor, and that's how you turn the page right there. You take your hand and you put it on the corner and you peel it. Peel. Oh, we got more stuff. All right, so those are the little plugs that cover up the holes. You got more anchors. You got some, I already forgot the name of those things. Dowels. They're not kind of like a dowel. Anyway. Hinges, knobs, more brackets. All right, let's get moving. All right, so the first thing you want to do, you don't want that, you want that. You want to be short. You take both fingers and you point, and you try to use your mind to make them assemble themselves. After that doesn't work, you take your other hand and you just gently poke it. And if that doesn't work, you force it, like click, you just force it together. All right, we're going to point at that thing, force it some more. What is this here? We're going to take this. I mean, this looks like a pain. I've built so many of these, it's so annoying. Yeah, just shove it in there. And you take the cardboard piece, this is the back, you slide it in. All right, that anchor, but not that anchor. Right here in the back. Now we're going to take, whatever these little doohickeys are, knock those in there. Oh, now we're going to plug the holes up. Because this looks like the back, so I see what they're, instead of screws, you put the anchor in, and then you put the little plastic thing. You push the plastic. That's what holds the back on, it looks like. There's our little dowels. That way, so when your cat's playing with a toy, it won't get thrown up underneath the little cabinet there. All right, we got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Oh, the foots. Not sure what those are. Like, I don't even see those on here. Anyway. No hammer. And we're going to look at, yeah, you point, take two left hands. You take both of your left hands and you point. You screw that in. Oh, wait, what? No, that's not what I thought it is. Force that in there, shove that in there. Yeah, this is all straightforward. Just take that, point at that, and then you push it in there. And that's when the shelves really start coming together. That's a beautiful shelving unit right there. All right. Oh, another backing piece. That's exciting. Take your left hand, you point it, whatever that is. More of those anchor thingies. Same all this. I mean, it's more of those anchor thingies. And there's your other friend, your other illiterate friend. Because, I mean, think about it. If you got a friend that has nothing better to do than help you assemble this crap, more than likely illiterate. Or at least has nothing else going on. All right, we got some stuff. It's basically assembled now, so now we're just going to make sure we're going to plug this in so it doesn't fall apart. I mean, that's real secure. A little plastic 1, 2, 3, 4 on each side to keep it together. That's why they don't want kids climbing on this stuff, because it's... There we go. So use a step ladder facing that way, but don't face that way. Now, why would... Oh, because if it falls, you want to be directly in front of it so you fall with it. That's what it is. That makes sense. All right. Oh, now here we go. So this is the most important part. You want to take this little bracket, and you want to make sure you mark up your wall and put some screws up here, because this is when your kid, who is most likely illiterate because he's too young to read, goes up to climb on this thing. These right here are supposed to keep it from tipping over. All right, this is the part where if you install this over some sort of secret entrance, you can move it to the side and the secret entrance will be revealed. I mean, that's what it looks like to me. Now we got a QR code. We got some... Here we go. The screws and plug-in supplied can be used with most solid A and hollow B walls. For solid wood C, use the screws without plugs. If you are uncertain, seek professional advice. That's when you got to go run the phone line into that Ikea store so you can walk outside and call them. All right, looks like we're nearing the end here. What's going on here? Oh, they're just giving examples of anchors. Oh, we're not done yet. Exciting. Oh, I see. They're trying to show how to anchor into certain walls. And I guess, oh, I see. That covers up the mess you make when you're trying to anchor this thing to the wall. So that'll be real convenient when you go to move. And now we're going to put the shelves in. That's exciting. The hinges, oh, that's the fun part. So you put the hinges in, because it always works perfectly every time. You don't have to mess with it for, a half hour just to get the doors to line up correctly. All right, we're nearing the, oh, more hinge work. Don't do that. Do that. There's lots of pointing going on, lots of finger pointing. Yeah, you gotta screw them hinges up. looks like we're at the end, folks. I hope you enjoyed our little chat while we read this IKEA manual. It was very exciting, and I hope you learned a lot. Over and out.